Hello kids, in previous classes you learnt the vowels and consonants. What are the vowels? Did you remember what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are called as vowels. And how do we pronounce? Normally if we write alphabets, we call them A, E, I, O, U. But when we write them by using two slashes like this, we call it as A. What sound it is? A. This is E and this is A. If you observe, we don't call it as Pa, A, T. Pat. We call it pat. In the same way, P, E, N. In this P is pronounced as Pa, E is pronounced as A, N, pen, A, E is pronounced as A, pay, P-E, pay. In the same way, here, I. If we see I, what do we pronounce this word? Pin, P-E-N, pin. That means, here, I is pronounced the sound of E. I gives the sound of E. Means I gives sound. What sound it is giving I? I is giving the sound of E. I is giving the sound of E. That means I is pronounced as E. E sound here. And O. O is normally as O sound. So, today, what is our aim today? Our aim is to read, write and pronounce the words with which sound it is? E sound, not I. We don't pronounce it as I, we pronounce it as E and O. E and O. Now let us go with these E and O sounds. Okay? Now if we see the E sound, pin. Tin, E, not I. We don't pronounce it as I. If we see I here, now if we write this is pronounced as I-S, ice. Here I is giving I sound only. Here we can see I is giving I sound. But we are not writing the words which contain I sound. We are writing the words which contain E sound. Means I giving E sound, not I sound. I must give I sound in ice cream. But here, I is giving E sound. So it is P, P, E. If you see, if I pronounce long, P. So I am giving E. I am not giving pie. P-I, pie. Normally, if I say pie, can I say it as pine? No. It is pin. P-N, pin, T-N, tin. Fin. Now, can you observe this, children? In. So, which word is changing to make them a rhyming word? Only the first word is changing to make them a rhyming word. Means here we are writing only 3-letter rhyming words. That means we are writing consonant, vowel, consonant words. Did you observe? We are writing consonant, vowel, consonant words. Not more. I am not writing more words like this. So I am writing only consonant, vowel, consonant words. Not consonant. This is consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. So I am not writing these words. I want to write only CVC words. What words we are writing today? Only CVC. Means consonant, vowel, consonant words. Now, this is E sound. What sound it is? E sound. Now let us go with the O sound. O. Pot. O. O sound. Pot. Cot. Lot. Now if you observe this, oat, oat, oat means it is giving oat sound. But here we are writing only the beginning letters are changing here. Everything is same. Means if we write some rhyming words, if we want to write some rhyming words, we want to change only the first letter. Okay. So if you observe L-O-G, log. If I want to write the rhyming word for this, I want to remove first letter. Now, I want to write one more letter. Fog. Again, if I want to write one more rhyming word, what should I do? I want to remove the first letter. Means again, I just wanted to remove the F. Now, log, fog, dog. Okay, so I have dog, fog and log. So children, these are the rhyming words. Now basing on this, we have a poem, rhyming poem. So let us go for the phonics rhyming word in your page number 28. So open your textbooks, page number 28 and let us see the phonics poem. Okay. Children, now open your textbook page number 28. Phonics rhyme. Now see the first picture. Can you see? Yes. What can you see there? Yes, it is a frog. See the heading title there. Todd, T-O-D-D, Todd, the frog. T-O-D-D, Todd. Means it is the name of a frog. What is the name of the frog there? Todd. Todd is the name of the frog. Now put your finger and listen to it carefully. Todd is a frog. He loves to hope. Now who is Todd? Todd is a frog. And what does he love? Did you ever see the frogs hopping? Yes, they hop. Means jump. He loves to jump. What does the frogs love? The frogs loves to jump. So it is hop. So Todd is a frog. He loves to hop. From one place to another place, if they jump, we call it as hop. He sits on the log. Can you see the log? It was cut from the plant, the part, the stem, the trunk of the tree which was cut, that we call it as a log, L-O-G, log. Where is Todd sitting? He is sitting on the log. Can you see there? He sits on the log. He jumps to the top. Now can you see? Yes, he jumps to the top. Means height. Means he is jumping very high. So he jumps to the top. Even in the fog, he does not stop. Do you know what is fog? In winter season, early in the morning, if you come outside, can you see the smoke? You can't see anyone. That is called as the fog. So even in the fog, he does not stop. What does he not stop? Hopping means jumping. He moving from one place to another. Jumping from one place to another. He does not stop to hop. Okay? I want to give him a lollipop. What does they want to give him? Yes, I want to give him a lollipop. Now, can you see here in this poem? Everywhere you can see O, frog, og, O-G, og, O-P, op. Can you see the ending words for each line? Frog, hop, log, top, frog, stop, lollipop. So everywhere you can see the rhyming words that rhyme with OG, og and OP, op. So here in this poem, we can find the rhyming words of og and op. Just underline all the rhyming words of og and op. Okay, children. Now let us see the another poem in the same page. Can you see there another rhyme there? Kit likes to sit. Who is Kit here? Can you see any picture there? Yes. What it is? It is a dog. Can you see a dog? Yes, a dog. Kit likes to sit. What does it like? It likes to sit. Now read the poem along with me. I have a dog. His name is Kit. Now who is there? A dog is there, and what is the name of the dog? The name of the dog is Kit. K-I-T, Kit. Kit likes to sit and sit and sit. Means the dog by name Kit, it likes only sitting, not any other thing, any other work he doesn't like. Kit likes to sit and sit and sit. So it means it always likes to sit. Can you see how it is sitting? Kit sits on a tin. Kit sits in a bin. Now on a tin means outside. If you see a tin is there, it is sitting on a tin. On means above, means sitting on the tin. Above the tin. Now here, next sentence. Kit sits in a bin. What is the meaning of in? In means inside. So inside a bin. So Kit sits in a bin. Oh no, Kit, don't sit on that pin. Now they are saying, Kit, don't sit on that pin. So there is a pin. What happens if we sit on the pin? Yeah, it will be very painful. That's why they are asking Kit not to sit on that pin. Now once again repeat with me. Todd the frog. Todd is a frog. He loves to hop. He sits on the log. He jumps to the top. Even in the fog, he does not stop. I want to give him a lollipop. Kit likes to sit. I have a dog. His name is Kit. Kit likes to sit and sit and sit. Kit sits on a tin. Kit sits in a bin. Oh no, Kit, don't sit on that pin. Children, can you see in the second rhyme all the words which are ending? Yes, they are Kit, sit, sit, tin, bin, kit, pin. So they are it and inwards. They are ending with it and inwards. So here we can see the vowel I. If you see the Todd the frog, what is the vowel present in the rhyming words? It is O. The sound is O. Log, top, fog. So wherever you can see O, the sound is O. But when coming to kit, sit, tin, bin, it is pronouncing, the I is pronouncing the sound E, K, C, T, B, P. So it is giving the E sound. The vowel I is giving the I sound. So basing on this, let us read some more. Okay, children, in your Ted the frog, we had seen some rhyming words with O sound. With O sound. And in your rhyming words, that is a rhyming poem, kit, sit. So in that, we had gone through the words it, in. Means they are the rhyming words with E sound. What sound they are? It, not it. It is it, In. They are pronouncing as E. I is giving a pronunciation of E. So here we have I pronounced as, I sound is E. So we are going with I as E sound, not I sound. Now let us see here. So while writing the rhyming words, we want to write only the changing by first alphabet. So it is CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. Already the consonant is there here. This is a vowel. This is a vowel. This is consonant. Vowel, consonant. Vowel, consonant. So we want to use another consonant word like FOG, fog, LOG, log, DOG, dog. So many words you can write basing on that. Means but just by changing the first letter, first alphabet, we can write the rhyming words. So here, op. It is OP, op. We pronounce it as op. Here it is og, fog, log, dog. So that is the pronunciation of O. Okay. Now op. So it is cop, hop, H-O-P, hop, mop, mop. Now children, can we write anything again with O sound? Do you remember any rhyming words? Okay, we have some other words like ought. We have ought, like hot, got, lot. So in this way we are going to write the O sounds. Now coming to E sound, not I sound, it is E sound. What do you write it? Pit, P, T, pit, it. Not it, it is it. So it is pit, bit, fit. Now coming to in, in. So we go for pin, tin, ring. Now do you remember any other sounds with I giving the E sound? E. I as E. So ig. It is ig, not ig. It is ig. So we have the words like big, fig, dig. Children, try to pronounce I as E sound, not I sound but E sound. Remember that we are learning the pronunciation. To read and write the pronunciation, the words with E sound and O sound. So once again, og, op, ought, it, in, ig. Basing on this, you want to complete your volume. Try to pronounce the words more. Means whenever you get the vowel sound, pronounce it as E, O. The other sounds you can pronounce normally. H for ha, ga, la, fa, ba, pa. So previously you learned it. Yes? So basing on that sounds, try to complete your volume. Once let us pronounce these words again. Okay? In your volume. Now if you want, you can take a pic. Children, now see your volume. Page number 24, the first one. Read the letters aloud. See the first one. How do you pronounce it? I is pronounced as E. O. B is pronounced as Ba. D. Da. F. Fa. L. La. N, na. P, pa. R, ra. T, ta. Once again try to pronounce them. E, o, ba, da, fa, la, na, pa, ra, ta. Now see the next question, second one. So try to make the words with I and O in between. So previously you observed we had written on the board with I in between and O in between with the rhyming words of it, in, ig, og, op, ought. So basing on that, in between use only the words I and O and write only 3-letter words. Remember children, you want to write only 3-letter words. Now see the third question. Make at least one sentence with any of the words you made. So observe what words you had written in second question. Taking those words, any one word enough. So taking one word, write one sentence in your third. Okay, and complete your volume.